Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kristen from runfitmama.net and I'm here today with kind of a fun video. I wanted to do a collective haul for some stuff that we're buying for our Disney trip. I am hoping that this helps you with any little things that you might need to buy for yours. I like to start collecting things little by little along the way. We have about 41 days, not that I'm counting, until our trip. So I always buy specific things when we go to Disney World and when we go to land. So for this one, we are going to Disney World. So I just kind of wanted to flip through and show you some things that we need along the way. Hopefully this can help you too. There will be more hauls coming. Definitely a makeup haul that I'm going to show you, and another Target haul for specific Disney things that we need for our trip. But this is a combination of Disney, some small shops on Etsy, and Amazon. So I will show you everything that we have. So the first thing to show you, I couldn't help myself. I got these for Emma and I don't quite know if she will wear it the whole day, but I found these on Amazon. They're just little princess crowns like that. I mean, they were like $9 each and I just couldn't help myself. I know that once we get there, she'll really want to have a crown, and they're very expensive at the park. So if you're looking for a little cheap in price, not in quality, tiara, this is what we got off of Amazon. I think it came with two. It was a really good deal. So this next thing is from Amazon and I'll link it down below, but it is a portable fan. These are amazing. You have to get one if you are going to Florida in the heat. So, oh gosh, it's all in the packaging, of course, but I will show you quickly. It's just like this, and you hold it and you just pretend it's not so humid, but it works really, really well. It comes with a USB so you can charge it or you can put batteries in it. These are awesome. And again, once you get there, anything that you're gonna wanna buy is gonna be way more expensive. And I think this was like $11 on Amazon. So we also have a stroller fan that I will show you in another video that we just clip on to the top of the stroller, and it helps keep the air circulating. So when they do wanna take a little nap, they have that option. So the next thing's kind of obvious. I am a planner of all illnesses. I don't want any tummy aches, headaches, nausea, anything. I don't want any, and I certainly don't want the Disney cold. Everyone talks about the Disney cold. Fortunately, and now I say this and like something's gonna happen, we have never had a Disney cold. So we're very diligent on wet wipes and washing hands and this. So in the morning, before we get our coffee, I always just make a little cup for Ryan and I. We do that. The kids get elderberry, but this time we also are going to bring this kids immune support vitamin from Target. So this has vitamin C plus 13 vitamins and minerals. So hopefully that will help. I just give it to everyone in the morning. I don't want to deal with it. I hope that everyone stays happy and healthy the whole time that we are there. So along with that comes the Tums. We have never really like needed them. Like no one's really hurting that badly, but I feel like all that sugar and moving around and the teacups and everything, sometimes it's nice just to have a little Tums and settle your stomach. You know what I mean? Okay, so I bring a lot of snack bars. I bring a lot of protein bars, anything that won't get damaged in the flight, and anything that's super easy to pack. I like to eat a big giant meal and then snack the rest of the day. Like I just wanna power up, I wanna load up, I wanna ride all those rides, and I wanna be good to go and feel healthy. So I'm bringing lots of Lara bars. This is the chocolate brownie. They're on sale at Safeway for like 88 cents each, so I stocked up. And I also got the coconut cream pie. I might get a few other flavors too, but that's just what I decided to pick so far for this one. So now I don't know how this made its way into my buying stuff bag, but we have our autograph book from the last trip, which we are gonna bring this time. You can use any autograph book or any little notebook that you want, but I highly suggest, I mean, you can't fill up one in a whole trip. So if you have one, just pack it along with you and then make sure you get the thicker pens because the characters, the mittens, they like to have the thicker pens. Okay. The time has come. I always said my kids would not be tablet kids. They would not have iPads. They would not do any of that on an airplane. Well, I gotta tell you, Max is in a screaming phase, and poor Emma, she's so sweet, and I feel like she's gonna get so bored on that 6-hour flight. So we are bringing the iPad. I bought them each their own headset. I'm hoping that this works well because I tried to have them use my AirPods and it does not work. So I bought pink for Emma, green for Max, and I think these were like 2 for $20 on Amazon. So again, I will link those below. But I'm hoping that this helps with some of the boredom on the long flight. In fact, I'm gonna give them an iPad diet for the week before, so that way it's like super fresh that they can watch a movie. So hopefully that'll work. Hey, gum. So you know, everywhere in Orlando does not, well, I shouldn't say Orlando, but basically Disney World owns Orlando because you can't even buy gum in the airport. So if you like gum on your trip or on the airplane, make sure you pack a couple of extra packs because you will not be able to find it unless you go to Target or Walmart yourself, but on property, even in the hotels, they do not sell gum. So also from Amazon, I picked up some of these Color Wonder packets. I got this one for Emma. Max has a little Mickey Mouse one. They're great because they don't bleed and they don't make a giant mess all over clothes and in your bag because they only color on the paper and they don't know about these. So I bought a bunch of stuff that they have no idea that I already have, like these crayons off of Amazon. So I keep little treats and everything to myself. And then when we get on the plane, I'm like, oh my gosh, look what you have. And then this is the one I got from Max, little Roadster Racers. So also from Target, these were on sale for like $5. The box kind of got smashed, but little gummies, again, a little treat that they can have on the plane that they don't normally get. And then I also picked up some RX bars for Ryan and I. I got the maple sea salt and the chocolate sea salt, two of my faves. The kids RX bars are great. I would be okay with Emma having one of these, but the walnuts and the almonds are kind of too big for Max. So I prefer giving them the kids version, which are really good too. So if you haven't tried those, check those out. And a lot of times at Target, they have a $1 off sticker on the outside of the box. So check out for that. The next thing is kind of obvious. It's sunscreen. I have this Baby Ganix sunscreen from Target. I like the kinds that are like paraffin free, organic, free of all that scary stuff of all the articles that I've read. So this one is SPF 50. It has zinc. It has no paraffins, no PABA, no fragrances, none of that. And this works really well. In fact, Ryan and I use this ourselves. We just put it on in the morning in the hotel, let it sink in, then I'll do my makeup. And then we'll maybe apply like around 3 p.m. or so when the sun gets really hot. But it's awesome. I wouldn't say it's sweat proof because, well, I mean, it stays on, but you sweat a lot as you do with sunscreen, but it works really well even for adults. Another Amazon find is this mini umbrella. I get us each one, well, just Ryan and I really, and I put this in our carry-on, but this is my second time buying this because I left my other one in Vancouver, but these work great. And when you are in a last minute rainstorm, you need something. So this is perfect. It's great for one person. I wouldn't say like two can fit comfortably, but they come in all different kinds of colors. And again, I think this is like $12. So the next thing is kind of fun. I got it from the disneystore.com. I got Ryan his very own magic band. So it's Toy Story Land themed. I thought it was super cute. And he always feels left out because he doesn't have his own magic band. So now he gets his own special little one. Very generous friend sent me one for me. It is the little one with the treats on it. It is super, super cute. And of course she attached a little note to it. Disney magic for your upcoming trip. So it was super, super sweet. So now we have our own magic bands together that are not the standard ones that they send to you. So the last thing I wanted to share with you was a very, very special gift that a friend of mine sent to me. She started her own shop on Instagram, which I am going to link below, but it's so, so cute. So she makes little coffee cozies for Starbucks drinks or anything. So this was the little pouch she made for me. It was a total surprise. It's like a Disney cruise theme. It's super cute. It says Ahoy. It's very, very well made. And the inside, it's navy blue, super cute. So she made me all of these. I was so surprised. So the first one is like a mini and anchors. And look at that cute little button. So it fits perfectly into a little coffee cup. She made me a monorail one, which will be great for Epcot, or I mean, any of them. Maybe the Epcot ball one, which I can't wait to take to the Flower and Garden Festival. And last of the Disney ones, a little Minnie Mouse. It's so, so, so cute. And they're so well made. She did such a great job. She just started this shop. They are so, so well made. I'm telling you, they are very, very good quality. And the last one she made me, Go Birds, if Ryan doesn't steal it first, is an Eagles one. So anyway, I want to say a special thank you to my friend. You're amazing. Thank you so, so much for this gift. It's already in, obviously it's already in my bag for my haul that we're gonna pack. I'm so excited. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little collective haul. I can't wait to show you more crap that I need to buy for this trip. But you know, I always think that planning and preparing for your trip is just as fun, and it's fun for me to be like, oh, I can't wait to pack all these snacks that we're gonna bring with us, you know, on Magic Kingdom Day or something. If you have any of your favorite things that you like to bring on your trip and you'd like to link it down below, I would so appreciate that. You can find me on Instagram at RunFitMama or on my blog at runfitmama.net. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you later.